This is the control board. This is a zero crossing optocoupler dictator side, and this is a triac and it's a driver MOC. And I have connected a zero crossing to the plug, and this is the output to the fan. You can see now it is a triggering angle. Now force full speed. To off I have entered 0. You can see. Oh, the fan is now off. Now entering to the triggering angle of speed of 5. You can see now the fan is slowly start running. You can see the angle. Now when entering the another angle, you can see the change. Now I am entering the full speed. Fan is at full speed.